Deacon the Ninja block. I won. Ah!
Oh yeah. Oh. Hey, break the board.
TV's on!
Hi everyone! Welcome to DTTV! Today, me, Deacon, and Tori have got
NinjaGames, SlapNinja, and BreaktheBoard.
Yes, so we've got the SlapNinja and we also got the new BreaktheBoard. So we're going to play both because they are super fun, aren't they? So we're going to go and play SlapNinja first.
Get ready to play SlapNinja.
Okay, ready? Oh, Tori's going to be the ninja.
Okay.
The Deacon has got to try and press that button, and whoever wins doesn't get electric shock off the handles. And whoever doesn't win, whoever loses, gets electric shock on the hand. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, so the aim is Tori's got a trigger, and Tori's got to pull the trigger. Pull the trigger, Tori. Pull it. Whoa, and the hand slaps down. Deacon has got to try and press this button. Are you ready?
Red button.
Oh, electric shock. Ready? Ready, go.
Get ready to play SlapNinja. You will need lightning reflexes to win, or get a button.
Whoa, are you ready? Oh, I think it's on. Try me. Ready? Here we go. And you've got three. You've got to hit the button 3 times, Deacon, yeah? Ready? Are you ready, Tori? Focus.
Oh, not bad, grasshopper.
Not bad, grasshopper.
Not defeating.
Oh, electric shock!
Let's become the teacher.
So Deacon just hit the button 3 times, so Tori had an electric shock. Shall we play again?
Yeah.
Right, swap around and Deacon be the ninja. You ready?
Get ready to play SlapNinja.
Here we go, Tori, you ready? Ah. Okay, me and Deacon play. You ready, Deacon?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Oh! Ow!
Nice try, grasshopper.
Oh, Tori's cheated.
Tori, no!
Here we go. Ow! Ah! So Deacon the ninja block. I won! Ah! I just had electric shock. Okay. So SlapNinja is cool. So that's the first one out. So shall we play BreaktheBoard?
Yeah.
Ninja.
Let's show everyone BreaktheBoard, shall we? Here we go. Let's turn that one off. And this is the newest version. So we're going to play that. And you get the stand. And you get the board.
Alright, Tori gives up.
Tori's given up. Are you ready, Deacon? Oh,
Tori got
she's
into
back.
me and
Okay,
Yeah.
so you've got 2 buttons on the side.
Break the board. Level up.
and it's only
Level up. And there's lots of different selections to play on this.
Slide your hand.
and there's only one person to play.
And that's Deacon. Okay, slide your hand under the bottom light. You ready? And the top lights flash. Oh! Try again.
No, you're too slow.
Oh, come on, Deacon. Oh, come on, Deacon, you can do it.
Oh yeah.
11.20 seconds. So it times you. Okay, you ready, Tori?
Press start to continue.
Start.
Level 2.
Level 2.
Fastest time. 13 points.
Okay, you ready? Tori.
Fastest time. 13 medium. Slow. Level 3.
Oh, Tori's going up the levels, okay.
Level 4. Fastest time. 19 points.
Are you done?
19.2.
Whoa! Tori can break the board. Shall we show everyone the different modes? Okay, so you've
Ready,
got
player 1.
player 1, and if you press the second button,
Trainer.
trainer
I'm
mode.
playing 6.
6, you've got trainer mode,
Press start to freestyle.
freestyle, which you can do wherever you want.
I'm
Level up.
6.
Deacon can get to level 6.
Press start to continue.
Level up,
I already do level 6.
level 6.
Trainer.
Trainer,
Freestyle.
freestyle, level up.
I gotta go.
And competition. Competition is where we face each other. Shall we show each other the competition? Yeah. Ready? Press start. And this is the top button.
Ready, player 1.
Ready, player 1. Deacon's going to be player 1.
Yeah. Hey. Ooh, yeah. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Tuya. Hey. Oh. Tuya. Oh. Wrong move. Ready, player 1.
Oh, you've got to go again. Player 1 until you can complete it. And it times you.
Hey. Ooh, yeah.
Right.
Move, my friend.
Try again.
Ready, player. Oh. Yeah. Hey. Ooh, yeah. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Tuya. Hey. Tuya. Tuya. Oh. Hey. Oh, yeah. Oh. Hey. Break the board. Player 1. Time 22.72 seconds.
22.72 seconds. So now, player 2 has got to try and beat that time. Are you ready, Deacon? Can you hold it for me? Here we go.
Press start to continue.
Start is the top button.
Ready, player 1. Oh.
No, 1.
Yeah. Hey.
He said 1.
Yeah.
1.
Yeah.
Down.
Break the board. You set a new record.
Set a new record.
0.06 seconds.
Woo! So, that is so much fun, isn't it, Deacon? And you can keep going and going and going, and you can go on all the different modes.
Yeah, I'm on level 6 and I'm gonna go on level 7 and level 8 and level 9 and level 10 and
Yeah.
level 11.
Okay, so if you think you can beat Deacon, break the board and let us know. Okay? Yeah?
Yeah.
Competition is on. So if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.
Yeah.
We upload every single week.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. Bye.